Hi, I'm James. I'm the CEO of reUser. So we're building the operating system for reuse. So every year, $3 billion of takeout packaging goes to the landfill in our oceans from campuses just here in the US alone. Over the past couple years, I've been working with hundreds of campuses to better understand what are the problems to implementing reusable programs there. And have a couple key points that we believe are instrumental to implementing sustainable reuse. One, reuse is a behavior change for individuals. We're used to the convenience of throwing things out at our fingertips. Two, for these institutions working to implement these programs, it's a logistical nightmare for these teams, which are already understaffed and overworked, lacking the tools that they need. So what we're working to do is track and reward consumers for their reuse, working to gamify this process for them to make it so that reuse is sticky behavior that people want to keep coming back to do again and again, and drive up return rates as a process. We're partnering with these teams directly to automate the implementation and continued operations of reuse at these places to make it ensure that they continue to be effective and that these organizations can get the data that they need to actually run an effective program. So we've started with is a mobile app that individuals use to more easily check out and return this packaging. And they've also built a dashboard to enable these institutions to view the data on the reuse in action at these locations. We partnered with places across the country, but have also been working with Cornerstone University here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and have enabled over 3,000 students over this journey so far to save over 100,000 takeout containers from the landfill. We've started with campuses as our beachhead for two key reasons. To start, they have a dining infrastructure in place to be able to, with teams that are doing the collection and cleaning of this packaging the same way that they're already doing for plates. And have member bases that can most easily return this packaging so it can continue to be returned and used again. And then from there, we're working to enable more groups that provide single-use packaging to be reused. From a model perspective, we have three key revenue streams, starting with subscription revenue for the access to our software to continue to ensure that that this packaging continues to be reused. We have setup fees, just working to source the materials to get these programs up and running. And we've built our entire technology on an API backend to support enterprise-based clients to be able to make custom integrations and solutions for reuse with their needs. So what we're looking to do is really, or what we believe we see for the future as reUser is really working to make it more circular supply chains within Michigan, and we can do that by, and we're doing that already by starting with partnering with a couple other startups here in Michigan in the Detroit area to support local farms to more sustainably and cheaply deliver their produce to Meijer and other distributors with reusable packaging, and also working on a pilot with in the East Lansing area to be able to provide customers their food in reusable takeout packaging, in addition to how we're already working to support the campus space. And so we're working to, we're looking today for pilots that we can continue to support and advance our mission of reuse with dining services, municipalities, and potentially even in grocers that are central hubs to our ecosystems where so much waste currently gets used that we believe can be done in reusable systems, and funding partners that can enable us to continue to explore this vision here in Michigan and beyond. And that's it.